Do I have to say anything more? It's winter, there's actually snow, it's the end of 2020, I have a few days off from work. What could be better? Times like these, I don't need to go abroad. I can just drive 60-70 kilometers from the capital and get views like this. Of course, snow is quite rare these days, but when it's here, magical. So, welcome to the Põhja-Kõrvemaa Nature Reserve. Let's have a look around and enjoy winter. So here we are at the bog. Sorry about the hair, it's kind of windy here. I flew my drone as well, and at one point the gimbal motor overloaded. I was quite worried for a while, but luckily I managed to bring the drone low enough that the motor was okay and I could bring the drone home. Otherwise I would have had to walk a couple hundred meters through the snowy bog to retrieve my drone. At first I thought it was just crashing, so luckily everything is fine. It's really nice to just take it all in. There are some people here, despite it being a working day, but luckily not too many. There's even a small bird there, a couple of them. But it's actually quite nice to just chill here. On my way from the car to the tower, I basically didn't take almost any photos. I just took it all in, but also taking a little point of view video with my GoPro, so let's see how that turned out. It's a bit freezing out here, but actually it is quite cold. I was thinking that maybe everything has melted by now, but it would seem that it may actually be colder than in South Estonia, but that's probably because of the wind. I have my gloves on, smart gloves, I don't know how you call them, so at least some parts of me is warm. I should start wearing a hat. I'm gonna put on a hat. Whew! That's a bit better. So, I'm just here enjoying a little lunch. I have some pancakes with me and a little Scottish treat, some iron brew. I don't know if this is the best soft drink in the world, but it's close to it, definitely. Plus I have a little thing for Scotland. Since my last visit there, I want to have everything Scottish, so this is perfect. Had a few of them for my Christmas as a gift, so I've been drinking them no more than one a day. I have 3 left. I might need to go to Scotland soon. Definitely I need to go to Scotland soon. My nose is freezing. Sorry about that, I got a bit distracted. I saw some, I think they were tits at the birds here foraging. Here are a few images as well that I managed to capture. It's so cold here. I'm thinking that I need to eat my lunch now. And I was thinking of also talking something profound about this year and the year to come. But right now my toes, fingers, nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes all are frozen, and I would very much want to go back to the car and heat myself up a bit. So I'm not really sure if this video actually has a point or not. Winter, it's here. Probably not here to stay, but let's enjoy it while it lasts. If you are still watching this video, then here's a quick bro tip for you, which is when you're walking in a bog, on a bog path, and it has snowed, then it's best to keep at least one eye out to make sure that you don't misstep like I just did. And if you do misstep, then at least fall properly so you don't break anything or lose anything. Also, in case you haven't noticed, I also have this awesome clip for my bag and for my camera from Peak Design. I got this as a Christmas present, and so far it has proven to be quite useful, although it is probably best used in proper hikes, you know, in mountains. We don't have those in Estonia. This is the best we have. But I hope that in the future I get to travel and I will be able to use this even better. But I think it's quite okay in the Estonian nature as well. Frees up the hands and secures the camera when you don't want to hold it. Oh, my ass is also freezing.